All right, so let's see. In the market I bought in, it's fairly easy to get rents that equal 1% of the purchase price. Is that what I should shoot for? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Generally speaking.
That was for Deanne.
Yeah, Deanne, you want to make sure that you're still running like actually crunch the full numbers, because here's the thing. The 1% rule is it's a very high level general rule of thumb that will give you an idea of whether a market makes sense for cash flow or not. But that is not an actual analysis tool for making an offer. And here's why. Like I remember, oh God, it was a really long time ago, but I did a lot of investing in Detroit when I was a new investor, and Detroit pretty much handed me my ass. So that was fun, but I learned a lot. And one of the things I learned is, wow, that 1% rule, you can't just make a decision on that. Here's why. In some markets, the property taxes are much higher than in other markets. In some markets, the property insurance is much higher than other markets, which those two things, if they're really out of whack, you could have a 1% rule meet and still be negative cash flow. So 1% rule is like, yeah, okay, that should work. But now as you're looking at deals, you actually look at the real expenses and make sure that it cash flows, just because there's some places where those two things could be really high, but not most places. But what if it was and you bought it and you're like, oh dang, I thought this was gonna pay me, a couple $100s a month, and instead I'm losing $100. That sucks. And now you're in it. There's nothing you can do about it. You just gotta live with it. Yeah. And then do better the next time. We're hoping that you just don't have to go through that learning process.
Totally. If you guys want the link in for the market research stuff, can you please just tag, say market research, and then I'll make sure Gazel gets it to you.
Multifamily or apartments, feel free to join our free private Facebook group. If you know that you want help, you want someone to hold your hand, and you want to be part of a mastermind and have coaching, all that you need to do is text the word freedom to 619-373-8461. So if you just want to see what is that about and how can I speed up my results and do it more safely, I'd be happy to chat with you about what your options are and see what we can do to help you along your journey.